How to remove paint stains on sofa, rug, and carpet. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with useful tips and tricks for cleaning and maintaining your home. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to remove paint stains from sofas, rugs, and carpets. Paint stains can be stubborn and difficult to remove, but don't worry, we have a few methods that can help. First, let's talk about water-based paint stains. To remove these stains, you'll need a mixture of dishwashing detergent and warm water. Gently blot the stain with the solution and repeat as necessary. For stubborn stains, you can use a mixture of vinegar and warm water instead. Now, let's move on to oil-based paint stains. These can be a bit more difficult to remove, but a mixture of turpentine and warm water can do the trick. However, it's important to test the solution on a small, inconspicuous area first to make sure it doesn't damage the material. For removing paint stains from carpets and rugs, a mixture of rubbing alcohol and warm water is effective. Simply apply the solution to the stain using a clean cloth and blot the area until the stain is removed. If these DIY methods don't work, you can try using a commercial stain remover. It's important to read the instructions carefully and test the product on a small, inconspicuous area before applying it to the stain. Paint stains on sofas, rugs, and carpets can be challenging to remove, but with the right methods and solutions, you can maintain a spotless home in Singapore. Remember to always test solutions on a small area first, and if in doubt, seek professional cleaning services to prevent any further damage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks.